Hey, so you've been asked to record a video submission assignment in Canvas from one of your classes. This video is going to show you how to do that and then some of the other options that you have. We're going to get started. We're going to jump into the course that I've created an example assignment for. Now, I'm using my laptop. You can also do this on your phone, but this video is going to kind of talk you through how to do it on your laptop. It's very similar on your phone though, so I'll kind of be jumping back and forth describing the mobile experience. But in your modules, you're going to find that specific assignment where the video is supposed to be uploaded or recorded. And just like any other assignments, you go to Start Assignment. And now this is the ways that you can submit your assignment for your class. Now there's a lot of different options. Hopefully your instructor's turned on the media option. And this is going to allow you to record directly in Canvas. Now, sometimes you can use your phone to record, and then this is where you upload it. So you can do that as well. You can click Record Upload. Look at this. It's going to ask me to allow my computer to use this. I'm going to allow it. So it's allowing to use my mic. And here I am. And so if I already have it saved on my computer, I can click Upload Media, and I can select the audio or the video file that lives on my computer or my phone. If I haven't, then I can go to Record Media. If I click on mic, I can select the correct mic, and same with webcam. I can select the FaceTime camera on this computer, and then I click Start Recording. When I do that, it gives me a countdown. And I can go ahead and give my talk. Your teachers might be asking you to do this for a wide variety of things. But what's nice about this is if you're not happy with it, you can click Start Over. Now, if I'm happy with it, I click Finish. I can preview it. And then I can click Save Media. And when I click Save Media, that's actually submitting the assignment. So it's not saving it to your computer. It is submitting it as an assignment. And so I click Save Media, and if you make a long video, it may take a long time for it to upload. Mine was really short, so it went really quick. But here it is. So my video is here, and I can click Submit Assignment. And now I can see that it's been submitted. So that's the way that you can record in your Canvas class. So again, make sure when you're doing it, when you go to Submit Assignment, you look for that Media tab. And that's going to allow you to record directly in there. Hope that helps. Good luck.